How to download GCash on desktop PC. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will be guiding you on how you can download GCash on your desktop of your PC. So if you're wondering how you can do those, these are the process you may follow up and you should be able to download GCash on your laptop or PC. So let's just get started with the process and look out on how we can do that in our laptop or PC. So as we know, GCash is an application that is only available in mobile version, not in the desktop one. So in order to download, we need to head over to BlueStacks in your browser. For that, you need to type in BlueStacks in your browser and you will be taken to the space of BlueStacks. So you can go ahead and click on the very first link that appears here and you should be able to download the Android available apps from BlueStacks. So here you can either go up to Google Play Store if you all don't have one. Otherwise, you can go ahead and type in GCash and GCash should be available here. So in order to download that, you can go ahead and type in GCash here. And if that application is available at that moment in that BlueStacks application, you can just go ahead and download it from there. And that is it. So for now, we know that GCash is only available in the mobile version. We don't have the desktop version yet. So if you want to really use the GCash, you can go ahead and download it on your mobile instead of your desktop or PC and use it on your mobile device. So that is the method you can download it. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video. And if you have got any questions, you can drop them down in the comment below and I will see you in the next one.